this was the first spot of the day. It's a bommy that I've dived a couple of times. Never seen any kings, but water was warm and yeah, I knew they'd be here. So take a dive. Still being very quiet because I have seen a couple of snapper in this area. Get to the bottom and park up on this little ledge here. Nice big silver drummer. Do some grunting. And shake my gun to attract some little kings that I've seen in the area, but none have come in yet. But keep diving here. Now there's a lot of bait here, heaps of sweet, yakka. So it was just a matter of time before all the kings came through. Alright, so back up the front of the bommy. Here we go, 5 kings come in, dive down. I pick out the biggest ones at the front of the school. And then good shots hit the gill plate. Lovely little fish, they pull hard and yeah, good to have a fish that can pull some spoon. There's no rush, I got a good shot, it's not coming out. Gone for the grab in the gills straight away. Brain spike. Him out of his misery. And then always bleed my fish as soon as I shoot him. Just to have good eating fish when I get home. Yeah, pretty stoked with this king. I think it was my 3rd or 4th for the season. But yeah, only little but still fun. Alright, so I hopped straight back in the water after that king. And yeah, I was keen to get another one, but I ended up seeing 2 parrotfish. And here on the south coast, they're pretty rare. Like, you don't see them that often. So yeah, I was pretty stoked to see them, but I'm diving down here to hopefully intercept them. But yeah, didn't see them. And as I'm coming up here, I see them both dart behind this rock to the right there. So I come up, get my breath back, and then go back down and shoot them. So diving down, I was hoping they were coming out on the left, but one ended up going right. So wasn't the best shot, but yeah, there he is there. Shot him from the top down, mid body, went through the gut, but yeah, it was a holding shot, wasn't coming out. But yeah, it did damage a bit of meat. I was actually quite surprised how hard they fight. But yeah, it would have been harder than the kingfish, I reckon. He went into a rock there. But he ended up swimming out, so just slowly bring him up. The shot wasn't coming out, but yeah, there's no rush. But yeah, I was pretty stoked with this fish. Yeah, but they're pretty fat, like heaps thick. They had heaps of meat on it. Yeah, I went for the tail grab there. Get my hand in the gills. You can see the shot there kind of tore a bit. Yeah, such a beautiful fish. Like the colours on it, and the blue in the fins. Yeah, so here we go, going for snapper now. And I've seen 2 big ones. There's stacks of bait here. Diving down, being super quiet, not making a sound. yeah, dive far back and then creep along the bottom, along this little ledge here. And then I knew they were around the corner. So what I do sometimes, just have half your body and not even, just your spear gun. And like, the snapper, they get like interested and they want to know what you are. And there he is there, you can see just above that rock. So I'll come back around, hopefully he's going to swim right in front of me. But no, he didn't. They're really smart fish snapper. Like the bigger ones as well, hard to shoot. Yeah, sadly this guy is too smart for me. Yeah, now I moved a bit deeper, and yeah, this snapper showed up. Big snapper. Super stoked, but yeah, unfortunately I didn't get enough footage. Shot it right through the eyes. Dived down, and yeah, he just came darting out in between these two rocks. Yeah, pretty funny shot, like it was straight through the eyes there, as you can see. Get my hand in its gills. Showing it up to Dad. Brain spike. Yeah, I was really stoked with this fish here. I reckon snapper got to be the hardest fish to shoot on the south coast. They're so smart. Yeah. Yeah, this fish was quite dark. Like most of the snapper I've shot, they've been really clean. But yeah, this guy was real dark. So must have been living in the weeds. Old fish. Yeah, it's just super stoked with this guy. Well, thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and go check out Chasing Gills on Instagram. You.